Hey, Nimmo. How are you today?
Hi, Gayan. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. I was thinking about our future plans.
That interesting. What are you thinking?
I want to travel more. There are many places I want to see.
Traveling is great. Where do you want to go first?
I want to go to Japan. The culture is amazing. Japan fun. I'd love to see the cherry blossoms.
Yes, and the food looks delicious too.
I agree. Sushi is my favorite.
We should plan a trip together.
That would be awesome. What time of year?
I think spring would be best. The flowers will be blooming.
Great idea. How long do you want to stay?
Maybe 2 weeks. It's enough time to explore.
Perfect. We need to save money for the trip.
Yes, we can start a savings plan.
What about our jobs? Will they allow time off?
I can ask my boss. I think she will agree.
My job is flexible. I can take vacation days.
Awesome. We need to book the flights early.
Right. We also need to find a place to stay.
A hotel or an Airbnb could work.
I prefer Airbnb. It feels more homey.
Good choice. Let's check some options online.
Yes, let's do that. I'm excited already.
Me too. What else do you want to do in the future?
I want to learn a new language. Maybe Spanish.
That's a great idea. I want to learn too.
Let's practice together. It will be fun.